Hi, I'm Matt Hill, and I'm going to go over my Assignment 2 code. I'm just going to walk down the assignment requirements to make this concise. One was create or use an existing controller in your controllers. I stuck with the original welcome controller, and I will discuss this further in a second. Number 2 is create a view under views. I chose the header.php as opposed to navigation.php. Number 3 is open controller file and create a method. So I went with home on this, and you'll notice I changed everything in here to home as opposed to index. I just wanted to keep everything matching. Number 4, so here is the this whole thing here would be the array object, and I already talked about the relabeling. I did notice that I had to put a welcome / portfolio here, and then on the other views they had to have a dot to keep the links working properly. So inside the method we load a view and pass data to the view. Here we call a header, body, and a footer while passing data to the header view. That would be our array that was required. Number 6 is open up the view file and loop through the data. So inside of our header, we have our loop right here that works through the data. We'll get a little more into that on number 8 here in a second. Number 7 is to apply style to the final work. So I basically just made it so we could see the difference between the header, body, and footer, as well as giving style to our navigation buttons, and making sure that the footer stays at the bottom. Number 8, the application must show which page the controller is on. So inside of our loop, I have an if statement. If the it tests if the current page name sent in the data variable matches the navigation value. If it does, it changes the element class to active. If it doesn't, then it would just make a regular button link. And to view these, here we have our page running. If I click on portfolio, you can see the header, body, footer, about. I have my about body, portfolio body, and my home body. And thank you for watching.